Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you seated stretching exercises for your lower back. These exercises would be good for you if you have a desk-based job, you're working from home, you're sitting for a long period of time, you're in a long car journey or a long haul flight, and your back is starting to feel achy, painful, and tight. Equally, these exercises can be easily incorporated or added to your daily stretching routine to maintain a good back mobility. I'm Physio Janae. I'm your physio specialist for the over 40s and beyond. I'm here to help you move better, feel better, so you can live better. Welcome to my channel. Sitting tall on a chair, feet flat on the floor, feet and knees hip width apart, arms across your chest. Start the movement by tucking the tailbone in and releasing and arching your back. Do this movement at least 10 repetitions and make sure that as you tuck your tailbone in that you're not leaning your trunk far too forwards to really localize the movement on your pelvis. This is seated trunk flexion. Begin by tilting your body to the right side from the waist up, and if you don't have a shoulder issue, then go ahead and reach your arm upwards and diagonal as if you're trying to reach up towards the ceiling, making sure that both hips are seated nicely on the chair to really localize the stretch on the trunk side flexes. Hold it for at least 10 seconds. Release, and other side. Tilt. Reach. And hold. Begin by positioning your hand on your thighs and curling in from the lower back, tucking your tailbone in from your upper back and neck, and slide your hands down to your legs until your hands are touching the floor or until your chest are resting on your thighs. Hold it for at least 10 seconds to intensify the stretch. Go ahead and hug your thighs and hold it for longer. And release, and slowly and carefully go back up and curl from the lower back, upper back, and neck. For seated trunk rotation, you're going to twist from the waist up. And you can hold on to the chair to intensify the stretch and hold it here for at least 5 seconds. Doing it on both sides. Hope you found those videos helpful. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to support my channel so I can do more fantastic videos for you guys. And if you have any questions or any comments, then please write down below. If you need a more personalized plan, then we can arrange an online consultation. Or if you're in England, my clinic is based in Southwest London in the borough of Richmond. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.